During one of our blizzards in March of 2018, the snow came heavily, stuck to the trees, and many trees came down in the backyard. Some of the stuff actually took down my radio antenna for my amateur radio station, so I had to figure out how to get it back up again. So here's the wire lying in the backyard. I bought an Airboss cannon in order to launch the wire back up over the tree in the backyard. My antenna is about 268 feet long overall, with two unequal pieces. Each end is hung from a tree about 25 feet up, and the center balun, or feed point, is up at about 45 feet in the tree and connected by coax cable back to the transmitter. Right. I am here with the Airboss antenna launcher. This cylinder is charged to 40 psi with compressed air. Here is the fishing reel, and in here I have a 2-ounce fishing weight. And so I am prepared to open this valve and shoot the fishing weight over the branch up there in the tree. All right. Are we ready? Okay, here we go. Well, it's over a branch, but is it over the one I want? Okay, we're ready for round 2. I'm going to use a little more air pressure this time and hopefully get it to where I want it. Ready, get set, go! Now where is it? On round 4, I finally got it right. I fired the fishing line over the right branch about 5 feet out from the tree trunk, was able to pull up some ropes and then gradually lift the antenna up to the top. And here's the tree with the antenna way up in the tree. You can see maybe, well, that's where the balun is, right up there. That's about 45 feet up.